Meet Juan Pablo Fernando de la Rosa Carlos. The third. Juan has a problem. He sends his emails, but recipients don't seem to see them or engage in any way. Little does Senor Juan know that his emails aren't vanishing, they're being marked as spam. And something as simple as an email feedback loop can fix this. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. An email feedback loop, commonly known as FBL, is a service many mailbox providers offer. The process unfolds as follows. You send an email. It's routed through SMTP servers, reaches the recipient's inbox, and the recipient marks it as spam. This action initiates an alert within the email service provider's system. This alert is logged, and a detailed feedback report is generated and sent back to you. FBLs can be a strong tool for maintaining email deliverability, allowing senders to identify and remove recipients who mark emails as spam, thus protecting their sender reputation. But not all feedback is created equal. Gmail, for instance, through its Postmaster tools, offers a bird's-eye view of your campaign's impact, summarizing data without revealing individual complaints. Meanwhile, Yahoo and most other providers offer detailed reports, including the specific complaint messages and email addresses involved. Access to FBLs typically requires being a high-volume sender, making it an essential tool for businesses with substantial email traffic. FBLs aren't just for marketing, they're also crucial for transactional emails. They ensure critical communications like receipts and notifications reach inboxes. To participate in an FBL program, senders must verify domain ownership, have a specific email address for receiving feedback, and ensure their DNS is properly configured with SPF or DKIM records. That wraps up our overview of email feedback loops. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure all in one place. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!